Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to go over the procedure on how to replace the engine mount on a Mitsubishi. Even though here we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander with a 2.4 liter engine, this procedure is practically the same for other models that have the same engine, including Mitsubishi Sport and Lancer. The first thing that you'll do is you might need to raise up the vehicle a little bit to get underneath so that you can support the engine. You'll put a jack right underneath the engine. Between the jack and the oil pan, you should put a piece of wood in there to support the oil pan. If you put just the jack in there, you're going to bend that oil pan and cause problems. So put a jack, a floor jack, put a piece of wood just underneath the pan, and then just raise it up just so that you can feel the pressure. You're not trying to raise the vehicle or the engine up, but as soon as you see the engine just slightly moving, then you need to stop, because the next thing that you'll do is you'll come here and now you're ready to remove these bolts. You have 1, 2, 3 bolts, and these bolts are 14 millimeter. So you'll remove these bolts. Okay, so there's one of them, but you got 1, 2 more. Okay, so once you remove all 3 of them, the next thing is to remove these 1, 2, 3 nuts, and these are actually 15 millimeter nuts that need to be removed. Okay. So once you remove all the 3 nuts, and making sure that our engine is supported, otherwise you're gonna have the engine drop down and cause injuries. What you'll do, the next thing is you can simply remove the engine mount by moving it up, and there's the nut for that. So we got 2 more here and 2 more bolts here, and then this simply comes out. You'll take the new one, you'll reinsert it, put the nuts back in, put the 4 bolts. Now take off the jack that's supporting the engine, and then you will go ahead and torque these nuts and these 3 bolts. For more help, follow our step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching.